Can I record on this? Okay.
Oh, hey.
Well, say what you're saying.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And I'll just...
Read
We'll
what
just
they
know.
say, too. Read what they say, too. Last name, my jugs.
They look confused.
Oh,
Oh,
I want to see your jugs. Be
they
hot.
skip! He's scary.
Scarier the better. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. That was a good one. You can read it all on this.
You can?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So much.
He
He doesn't want to.
No! Oh, ew.
Ask him.
No,
No, ask
friends.
him.
Hi! Oh,
Oh.
you're into that? Goodbye. Remember when we used to get like the same people every single
Stop
time?
skipping everyone. Just
That-
let it be.
That one I could skip.
Well, penis you can skip. Everything else. Hello?
Oh, I spelled it wrong. Whoa.
This little jug site.
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
Hold on.
Do you? Okay.
Okay, 1 second.
Some people are just like, what the fuck? Hit the space. What are
I'm
you
sorry.
doing? What are you doing? It's cool.
Oh, Brianna, you're kind of in the background. Ooh.
Okay. What else did you say? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Put it downwards. So you that.
Yeah, he liked it. Okay, here we go again.
Decisions. Oh, skip the fool.
Oh, he skipped me.
Oh, this will be interesting.
I like can't help not smile.
He doesn't fucking speak English. He
Yeah,
doesn't know.
Sassy knows it. It's so quiet. I think he's on Facebook or
I don't
some
care.
shit.
I'm done with him. I had enough. I'm not showing him my jugs. Is that a little kid?
Yeah, it is. Ah, he skipped me. fun of me.
Speak it.
Brianna, it just comes to show how disgusting guys are. Oh, all they want are titties.
What are you talking about? They want my jugs.
He scared me.
At first he wasn't laughing, so I had to get aggressive.
His eyes got quiet.
Hi. I've had enough of you.
Look at him, he's so sketchy. I don't know if that was a man or a woman. I'm sorry.
Oh, I want to show him the jugs, my jugs either way.
He's a kid.
I don't care.
Okay, 1 second.
Thanks. It's like sweet.
Oh, I should get a black shirt and throw it. Something like, yeah!
Yeah, do that. Yeah,
Sorry,
okay,
pause
I love
my- Go grab one.
How do you?
Just touch the thing.
I did.
It takes so many.